guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So today's video will be a very interesting one, and it's also a different one from my other videos also, because guess what? Today I will be sharing a glow up session with me in this particular video. So you must be seeing that why I am in such a bad unready manner. Actually, I've taken a shower now. So now the glow up session will start. So I hope you will be enjoying this video thoroughly with me. I thought why not film and share with you also, that you also enjoy it with me. So yes, the glow up session I have divided into 3 parts. I mean that it will consist first with my threading of my eyebrows. Secondly, I will do a face pampering where I will be applying something on my face so that a glow up comes in my skin. And the third will consist a major transformation, which is what that I will do planning to do a haircut, not more, but yeah, I am planning to do something so that it good look so that it looks good on me. So yes, now I will be just I forgot, now just I will be applying some serum to my hair as it's a little bit dry. So here I am using my Leave-On serum, which is my all-time favorite serum. Streaks one is also my favorite, but Leave-On is my all-time favorite. So whatever, so abhi to serum apply ho gaye hain. Now I will be going to the parlor for my eyebrows, because it's, you can see it's giving a bushy effect, which I don't like. I just hate it. So I need to give a shape. And yeah, बहुत बकबक कर लिए. So watch till the last so that you get to see my full transformation, and I will try to shoot all the things. I will definitely try my best so that you get to see all the things. So yeah, now let's go. So hey guys, I'm back from the parlor after threading my eyebrows, and it's looking pretty much good from before. I've made it narrow and my face is looking so much cleaned up. You know what, that eyebrows is the, you know, kind of a game changer. It defines the face also. So yeah, it's very necessary to figure out what suits on you. So yeah, I preferably like this one, so I've done a narrow one, whatever. So what I have to do after this, the prepping of my skin I've done, and I have shown this in my previous video also. You can refer to that video. I will be linking the video in my description box. Okay, so now I will, oh yeah, I'm so sorry I couldn't shoot that one because my battery was totally dead, so I couldn't do it. So very much sorry for that, but I will surely record my wrist clips for you all. So now I will be doing a face glow up, and yeah, eventually, as I said, we'll go to a hair transformation. I'm planning to cut my hair, a little bit of it, and probably will do some bangs. Yeah, this is my idea now, but after going to the salon I will discuss with them and take some suggestions, and we'll do that also. So yes, for that you have to for that you have to watch till the last. And now I will be pampering my skin. So yeah, now let's put the hairband so no hair comes around my face. Okay, so this is my favorite hairband. So it's totally done. So for my face glow up, I will be using the Garnier sheet mask, and it's this one. This is the Garnier Milky Serum Mask. This one. So I've already cut in here so that नहीं तो मुझे सारे equipments लेके बैठना होगा यहाँ पे. So yeah. So sheet masks are probably is a kind of give you instant glow, and I don't have so much time. Also, I have a little busy schedule, so thought of going with this sheet mask only. There are probably many sheet masks of Garnier, and there are many brands also, but I like this Milky Serum Mask one. So I will be applying this to my face. I've already cleansed my face properly with the face wash, and you should apply all this type of things and all type of skincare after cleansing your face only. So yeah, this is the thing. Oh my god, see, let's apply the mask. Actually, I've opened before to see this what it consists of. So this is the thing which I think this is of no use. Actually, this is the actual mask. Probably it's so delicate, yaar. It's feeling like that. ये अभी ही तोड़ जाएगा. Wait, let me figure out. Actually, it comes in a good manner, but I have opened it and saw. This is the mask probably. Okay, let me apply this. Don't get scared when I will be applying this. Oh my god. I couldn't see anything. Okay. Where is my eyes? Yeah, this is. Hello guys, could you recognize this witch? This serum Y2 waste. Just make sure that it sits properly in on your face so that it spreads eventually. And I'm trying to talk with you all, but if not, then forgive me. Okay, so I will be probably keeping this for 15 minutes or else for 30 minutes. Until then, I will be hearing songs and will watching some of videos, and practically you enjoy the song of the video, and after that I will be directly meeting with you all after I remove this. Okay, bye. Hello guys, I'm back and 15 minutes is over, so I will be removing this. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, can you see? Just see. Okay, let me zoom. Just see. Oh my god, I have super zoomed the video so that you can see. It's so good. It's full of serum packed. This is my bare face and it's so feeling good and awesome. So yeah, what I will be doing is that I will be spreading this serum to my whole face and will massage in a good manner so that it penetrates to my skin in a very good way and it gets all the benefits it deserves. So yeah, I've been massaging this for probably at least 5 minutes and believe me, it's feeling so good and calm. So yeah, make sure to massage it in a good way. Ignore that noise. I mean, there are children playing around, so I can't stop them. So yeah, so I will be massaging this well in my face and will be patting like this so that it penetrates well. Okay, so don't feel bored while doing this because the outcome will be really good. So yeah, I'm done with my face massage and yeah, see, just it's looking so good. I'm actually loving it. So yeah, this was my face glow up session. It was a very minimalistic and it is not time consuming also because I don't want to spend your time much more for doing all these things because I have also busy schedule. So now I'll be meeting you directly in my main transformation, which is my haircut. I'm triggered. I'm actually also excited the same way you all are excited to see my final outcome. So yeah, we'll be meeting you all in my hair transformation time. So yes, now let's go and wait for that result. Okay, bye guys.
Hi friends.
तुम आ नहीं रहे हो तो ये है दो फ्यूचर क्या बोलते हैं उसको बट तो ये है दो बच्चे, वो लोग आप लोग को कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, कुछ बोलिए, हाय कर दो सब।
हाय फ्रेंड्स। मुझे लग रहा है कि आप सब कोई अभी ठीक होंगे कोरोना की इस हालत में। आगे हालत में तो आप लोग ठीक ही रहेंगे। कोरोना की हालत का बात हो रहा है अभी।
हाँ, अब तुम कुछ सजेशन दो।
कोरोना तो अभी गया क्योंकि कोरोना ने हम लोग पे लात मार दी।
फिर
और अभी आप लोग ठीक होंगे क्योंकि आप अभी सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर रहे होंगे।
और कुछ बोलना है?
आगे मैडम जी आप अपना शुरू कीजिए।
चलो बाय, तुम लोग भागो।
हम लोग थे आज के चीफ गेस्ट। बाय फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग थे आज के चीफ गेस्ट।
Hey guys, so I'm finally back after cutting my video. So this is the thing, as it is, you can see I have told them to make here some bangs so that I get little volume, and niche mein I have just trimmed because I don't want to cut my length very short because I don't like too much short. But if I say truly that I'm not happy so much, as you can hear from my voice only, because actually the way I wanted वैसा नहीं हो पाया. सो या वट एवर, बट मुझे कट करना ही था क्योंकि बहुत मतलब ख़राब हो गया था बाल नीचे की तरह. सो या विद दिस आई एम एंडिंग माई वीडियो हेयर. हाउ यू आर लाइकिंग दिस, let me know. It's not that bad, but I'm not happy with that. So yeah, with this note I'm ending my glow up session here. I hope you all have liked this whole video and enjoyed thoroughly with me. One thing I want to say that if you feel very low and you don't have anything to do, then definitely go for self pampering. Is the best option to recover from any sort of sadness or whatever. So yeah, I'm very much happy now after my whole transformation. And drop a comment in the comment section how you have enjoyed this video and whether you are liking my new look or not. Yeah, so यही था आज का वीडियो. आई होप you have enjoyed with me. So yeah, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed, then you know the rules. I mean not rules, but if you do, I will feel happy. That's like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you like me somewhere personally, you can definitely check my social media handles. I will be linking all the Instagram and Facebook ID in my description box below. So don't forget to check it out because I post every updates in my Instagram. So yeah, if you wish, you can definitely go and check and follow me there. And yeah, this was it for today's video. Bye guys, stay safe and stay happy. Bye.